Okay, I had a lot to work with there. Actually, let's try this way. That was gonna mess everything up. Okay, that's a very low angle. Okay, so I need to find a filming studio, aka a room in the house. Not that complicated. And this is my childhood bedroom, now converted into my office. It needs a lot of work. So this is the room. Very, very full, and it's gonna take some serious work. I'm thinking that I'll set up editing, filming there. Maybe I can think of something as a backdrop, although the world map on the wall isn't that bad. But yeah, boxes and boxes of stuff. This has just become a storage room, and I gotta make this room look cool. Also, I am so shocked these plants are alive. I have not watered them the entirety of me being home, which has been 3 months now. So let's see what I can get done in here. Dust. How are you making new growth? Wish me luck. Okay, we've got some balloons from my mom's 60th birthday party. Good, good, good. Some boxes, some books, loads of books, sewing kit, some old shirt, a puzzle I bought in Brazil and was adamant that I bring it home. Oh boy. All this to clean. Oh good, my assistant has shown up. Also this chair. This is where my parents' cat takes naps. Look at that. Oh god. Let's just add that to the to-do list. Look at this little cutie hiding in there. Also, I made this frame at like, I don't know, it's literally just sand glued to wooden board, but that's me. Let's see what this angle does. Unboxing here. This range. What do we have to work with? Can't wait to open my camera so I don't have to film with my phone. Okay, how is this angle? Am I getting glared on? Okay. So if I have my phone at the desk, this is where I sit. The view? No, maybe. Bit of an angle. I can sit, chat here. I don't know. I guess that's all part of the journey. I'll figure it out. Wow. Okay. I'm in here planning stuff. This is so funny. This is like what I was supposed to do when I was 9 years old, discovering the internet for the first time, except I'm turning 30 and I'm gonna do it now. No time like the present. Let's just figure it out now. Yep, I know. There's a lot to clean here. Not gonna clean much if you're on my lap. Okay, let's get to cleaning. Okay. Oh. How do I do this? Okay. Woo! That's still not very
Bruh.
straight. Maybe I'll figure that out. But this is pretty cool, huh? Wow! Ooh. Okay. Alright, I feel professional. Let's get it taller. Okay. I don't even know if I can reach my phone. Okay, this might be a little too tall. And you got games on your phone? But maybe am I doing a time lapse of me cleaning this room? I don't think I can clean this room in one sitting, but I guess I can start on it. Does this look silly? Oh god. I don't know. Regardless, I gotta clean this room. But look at that! Look at that! Is it a little crooked? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh god. Wow.
Run.
Okay, we won't listen to that during the entire cleaning montage, but I do want to take this opportunity just to thank you for watching the video this far into it, and if you're interested in seeing more, please subscribe. It means a lot to me that you're interested, so once again, thanks.
Well, the desk is cleared, and that's kind of the most that I can do right now. There's still all this books and all the storage back there, but I can't really do anything about that right now. But for now, I have my nice workspace, my little plant, my GoPro case, which is this guy right here, and this TV, which I think I'm going to use as a monitor. I know it's very old, so at most it's a high def, which means only 720, so not to full capabilities, but it does have the HDMI hookup, which once I get a laptop and I can finally start putting these videos together, I'll have a nice big screen to look at. So it's a start. What about this? Used to see over here. Okay, we went a little bit lower. I think for me the most important thing is just having a space that's designated. Do you like my dinner? Frozen raspberries that are thawing out and a bowl of popcorn. I'll get a healthier eating habit along the journey. For now, this isn't bad. This isn't the worst that I could be doing. I think for me it's just nice knowing that I have a space set up to do this so that I can focus and it can become a real thing. It's an area where I can focus on talking to myself and looking at a camera and get used to just talking in a normal cadence to a camera. Yeah, so this is my station. This is where I'm going to do the majority of my filming, and it's also going to be where I'm going to be doing all my research. I think it'll be nice to have a studying station like when I was at university and I had a desk and a computer to work at, because this is going to be a lot of work, not just the YouTube aspect, editing videos, which is all brand new to me. I'm literally just going to be learning all of this as I go, but also doing the long-term planning, laying out all my budgeting in a way that's understandable, researching not only what to do with the YouTube channel and how to manage it, but also how to get a catamaran, what qualifications do I need. Even though I've already sailed around the world, I still feel like I'm at the start of my journey, and I really want to document it for myself because I see a bunch of work going ahead. I see myself wanting to quit, wanting to give up. From past experience of being on a YouTube channel when I was first learning how to sail, being able to look back on those videos and seeing how far I've come, I want that for myself, just to be able to look back and see if I actually get there or not. So the purpose of this YouTube channel is mainly for me, and I have so much to learn. Already in my head I'm just like, you should really have thought of a script because you're just rambling and you need to make a schedule and know what you want to talk about. Otherwise you're just talking to a camera and only you're going to be interested in that. And I do really think that I have something to offer to people here, and I really want to make it an enticing channel that people want to watch, but it is mainly for myself at the end of the day. I want to see if I can do this and I want to see how far I come. So yeah, here I go.
All right, I'm done. Get lost.